Do you want to do professional learning in your own time? Well, I've got a really great way that you can do this so that it's nice and simple and accessible. Hi, my name is Tristan Heron, and I am an education, innovation, and growth specialist. And I'm here to help you embrace technology and develop future-ready classrooms. So, we know that professional learning is so vital. We know that as educators, we need to continually update our skills, and we need to make sure that we are at the forefront of everything that is happening in education. And we know that sometimes this can be very, very overwhelming. Well, I'm here to become your new best friend because I have developed my own membership academy that you can come and be part of, where I'm going to take some of this, some of these challenges away from you. I'm going to try and make your life a little bit easier. So in 2025, with the assistance of my wonderful friend Sarah Cordner, I established what was known as the Tech Ready Teacher Academy. This was our very first iteration of my membership academy, okay? Back then, we were under the brand Evolved EdTech, okay? We have evolved from Evolved EdTech. We've put that one to the side, and now we are running under Tristan Heron because it's all about me. Yeah, I love attention. So we created the Tech Ready Teacher Academy. So the Tech Ready Teacher Academy was our membership academy, and it has now transformed. It's had a bit of a refresh, and it is now known as the Empowered Educator Hub. So why should you consider coming and joining us at the Empowered Educator Hub? Well, it is a dedicated space to help you become more confident and comfortable with using technology in the classroom. We also provide you with lots of tips and tricks and ideas so that you can actually go and explore these and incorporate these into your own classroom, because sometimes we just don't have the time to think of new ideas, and sometimes it's really nice to get on and watch a workshop or watch a video and just see somebody presenting some different ideas that might spark a bit of curiosity. They might spark a little bit of interest, and you might go, do you know what? I'm going to try that in my classroom. And that's what I'm here for, okay? I'm doing the hard work for you. So what do you get as part of the Empowered Educator Hub? Well, for just 49 Australian dollars per month as of August 2026, all right? So please note that this is from August 2026, okay? For 49 Australian dollars per month, this is what you get. Okay, each month you get a masterclass, all right? So I will provide you with some kind of masterclass of at least 60 minutes every month, okay? Now, I do sell these masterclasses individually for $49. So these are included in your monthly subscription for 49 Australian dollars. So already you are getting a big bargain, okay? All right, also as part of your membership of the Empowered Educator Hub, each month you will get a premium customizable Canva template, all right? So these templates are provided. They're all different kinds of templates that will be provided for you. They are all customizable so that you can get in there and you can create them and, make them into your own thing. Each one of these templates does sell individually on the Tristan Heron website for $5 Australian, all right? So if I can do my math properly, all right, we are already at, per month, okay, the Empowered Educator Hub is already worth $54, okay? So it's already worth $54. So you're already getting $54 worth of value for just $49. But wait, okay, there's more. Yeah, I'm a giver. Okay, so in addition to the premium template, you will also get editable access to all, I think it's about 80 everyday templates, which are also available to purchase on our website, okay? Normally they value at $2 Australian each, okay? So $2 Australian per template. However, we are going to give you all of those, all right? So at the moment, all of those are currently worth about $160. So if you come and join us for just 1 month, you get access to all of those customizable templates worth 160 Australian dollars, about that. I think there's about 80 templates there. Okay, so let me just do some maths here. So the workshop is $49. The premium template's worth $5, so that's worth $54. And I'm getting access to 80 plus everyday templates, which are fully customizable, valuing that at $160. Hang on, I'm at over $200 in value already, and I'm only paying $49? Are you kidding me? What? Yes. Okay, but wait, there's more. As I said, I am a giver and a giver and a giver. Also, in addition to this, each month we are going to give you an AI prompt pack. All right, so we've created some AI prompt packs for all different kinds of roles, okay? Primary teachers, casual teachers, pre-service teachers, all different kinds of teachers. We're going to give you a prompt pack. And in those prompt packs are 27 AI prompts that you can use to get started with using AI to help you in the classroom. All right, but here's the great part. Each one of those prompt packs is worth $5 Australian dollars each. So there's another $5, okay? But do you know what? There's even more. So as part of your membership of the Empowered Educator Hub, you'll get ad-free access to all of our Innovative EdTech workshops. These are our workshops that we live stream on YouTube and Facebook, okay? So we are going to pop them into our academy, into our hub, so that you can go and watch those ad-free. Because if you're not a YouTube premium member, you're gonna get those damn ads. But we don't want you to have those ads, so we are giving these to you as part of your membership so that you can prevent your viewing from being disrupted by someone else's stinky advertising, okay? So straight away, you can see here that your membership as part of the Empowered Educator Hub is already worth over 200 Australian dollars per month. And all we are asking for you to pay is 49 Australian dollars as of August 2026. Yes, just 49 Australian dollars as of August 2026. There is so much in the hub, all right? We are going to develop a community so that if you need to get in and ask a question, you can do that, all right? We will continue to add resources, PDF documents. We will continue to provide you with all kinds of things to make this hub an absolutely invaluable place for you with your professional learning when it comes to EdTech in the classroom. So if you want to come and check out our hub, okay, and I know that from looking at it yesterday, okay, that at the moment there's something like 79, 80 plus different courses or resources that are already in the hub, all right? That is huge, okay? So if you want to come and check out the Empowered Educator Hub, I would love to have you there. So all you need to do is head over to tristanheron.com/hub, all right? That'll take you to our hub sales page. I'm just walking on some mud, so I'm going to try not to slip here. So come over to tristanheron.com/hub to check out everything that we have on offer in the Empowered Educator Hub. All right, it is divided up into 8 different sections. You do not have to study everything from every section, but there are lots of different things for you to explore. So you want to come over, you want to be part of our community. I just walked up a hill. Okay, that is, not a great thing there. It's really hard to walk and talk, and especially when you get so excited about the Empowered Educator Hub. So if you want to come and check it out, tristanheron.com/hub. And we can't wait to see you in with us and all of our members as we create this wonderful community of educators who are looking to embrace educational technology and develop those future-ready students and classrooms. Anyway, I think that's enough about the Empowered Educator Hub. But if I haven't told you and proven to you that it is well worth the 49 Australian dollars that it will cost you per month, then I have not done a very good job. Anyway, I'm going to get my breath back, and I will catch you again for another video very soon. Look at my hair, okay? It is definitely a little bit breezy here on my walk down here in Australia, but hey, it is winter time. All right, I will catch you again all very soon, hopefully in the Empowered Educator Hub. But until then, stay safe, everybody. Bye.